motorized scooter coming along. You wouldn't want them to hit the side of your car. And straight at the lights. At these lights here, we're going to keep going straight. And the road markings will guide you here. You'll see the road markings. To go straight, you're going into the correct lane. Okay. On the other side of this intersection, it's not obvious, but there's 2 lanes. The white line is missing, dividing the traffic going in the same direction. So once we get through, then we're going to make a left lane change. Pretty chill today. Usually you can get pedestrians crossing against the light and everything, you know. We'll make a left lane change here.
Yes.
And just notice, we're gonna, obviously we have to go straight here because you got a no left turn sign. You got a 2 do not enter signs. And look at the way the cars are parked. They're all facing you. Yeah. So we're going to turn left into a one-way street here on Larch, and that means you're going to be turning into the first lane, the left lane closest to the left curb. That's a rule so that somebody can make a right turn here. And we'll keep going straight at this intersection. Two do not enter signs over there too. I try to identify any pedestrians like around the vehicles. You might see their feet, or maybe somebody's sitting inside a vehicle and you can see them in the passenger seat. You know. Here we're going to turn left.